Integricom's been great for us. They take care of all our IT needs. They're here when we need them. We'll call them early in the morning, any time of the day, and they respond very quickly. We just went through a major project where we started electronic medical records. That was a huge project for us that they handled from start to finish, going from the hardware, the implementation. We're gone to tablets for the technicians to walk around with, to work up patients and stuff. So, then we got a wireless network for the tablets. We had issues with trying to figure out, why they were slower and trying to speed them up and what the coverage on the wireless network was. We started the process of getting our medical records up about 4 months ago, and it was a very intensive process. And the first thing was just trying to figure out what we needed from a hardware standpoint and a network standpoint, and changing some, our providers on the network side, making sure we had enough speed. And Integricom was very instrumental in getting that done. Getting all the monitors. We bought several monitors for the company. We've got 3 different offices. They handled all 3 different offices. Everything's working great. It's something where we're constantly changing things. With this type of system, there's always something new coming out. We just got a new update to the software that required us changing our browsers to give it more speed. Victor was out here just yesterday morning, 7 o'clock, getting all the stations switched over, reprogramming everything. Well, considering we're on electronic medical records now, if anything happens to the network and the internet stops working for whatever reason, we're in big trouble. I don't know a business that can operate without the internet. It's, the IT companies are extremely important. Integricom is extremely important for our business. It's interesting, to manage a business, you almost need a minor in computer science these days. Understanding the limitations of your network and your, what kind of switches you need and how fast your computer needs to be and how much memory you need. It's like, really? You always have to balance your needs with cost. Cost is always important for any business, of trying to figure out, how fast you need, what's realistic, and what that's going to cost you. And even the infrastructure of the local area, what the AT&T provides, what are your options. So balancing costs with your hardware is challenging. Joel's been helpful with that, trying to figure out, what's our best product we can get and not overspend for the service. We've never had a situation where they did not respond very quickly and get something done that we needed done that day. If we need something done, they get it done. Yeah, the practice is always changing. Something's always new. Something's potentially broken. We've got 3 different offices, and they have to communicate with each other. We've got doctors taking stuff home. Victor just the other day added a VPN for my, home computer so I could connect to our practice management system. They're constantly interacting with the practice to keep us running at optimum speed. I would highly recommend Integricom to anybody I know. They're extremely reliable, knowledgeable. They get done what needs to be done.